We got breakfast.
I'm okay.
It's here. It's here. Guess what? It's here. Fly River. I think it's the Fly River. I really never know it's gonna show up at my door, but come on. Oh my goodness. 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 Dude, I have wanted this for years, bro. This video is sponsored by API. API has been in the industry for nearly 60 years, developing and perfecting products for your indoor aquariums and outdoor pond products. Offering a range of test kits, water conditioners, fish medications, and even nutritional products to help the consumer create the most natural habitat for their underwater world. API also offers all the fish keeping knowledge you'll ever need, including an educational website with blogs, simple care guides, API Aqua Spin advice, and their newest online tool, API Assist. API Assist is an interactive, self-guided tool that will help you answer all your aquarium and pond questions you can ever have 24/7 while providing API product recommendations. And let me tell you, Cuffaros, they have the most knowledgeable tech services team via phone, email, and even social media. Now, all of API's products can be found on Amazon right now. The link is straight down below. Click that link. They're running some awesome promos that you don't want to miss out on. You can also get any of these products at any local pet store, fish store. You'll find API there. Thank you so much, API, for sponsoring today's video. You guys know I'm a big fan of API. I've been using their products for years now. So go check it out. Top link in the description. Click it. Purchase yourself some. You won't regret it. What is going on, fellas? Welcome back to another video. Today is the day. You saw the title thumbnail. We got it. First, of course, we got to feed our other 50 fly rivers we have around here. These are pigs, not fly rivers, but hello. Hello, goats. Let me put it down. Let me put it down. Psych! King always gets his head under there somehow. Lady May Mango. Oh, I'm getting a little bit better. Oh, I stepped in pig poop. Lady May will let me pet her. Right, Lady May? That's a good girl. Hello, chickens. How's everyone doing? Look at Naked Neck. He's looking pretty good, huh? You drop any eggs for me? Let's check. Maybe we'll let them roam today. It's only been 2 days. This is the second day. What are your guesses? What are your guesses? Do we have more eggs? There was one yesterday. What do you say, David?
2.
2. There she is.
She's
sitting on it. Oh! She's just sitting on her one still. Nice warm egg. You need some breakfast, David? We got breakfast.
I'm okay.
We're gonna put it back for hen. Well, now that all the animals are fed, it is time to go get substrate. We have rock and stuff, but it's time to scape our 500-gallon see-through pond, finally, because we have a lot of plans for this pond. 2 bags. We need 8 of these bags of play sand. We went to the pet store, looked at the prices, $265 to fill my pond with sand. No. So we're back at Home Depot now at an affordable price where we're gonna buy play sand and just have to rinse it out a little bit better than the other sand. All right, we got all our sand. All right, got all the sand. Hopefully that's enough. It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. Guess what? It's here. Fly River, I think it's the Fly River. I really never know it's gonna show up at my door, but come on. It's really light. It's really light. I'm repping the turtle merch too. I had to put the turtle merch on. Oh my goodness, and you know what? It's perfect timing because we got the light done in the pond. Oh yeah. Check out what it looks like at night. Now, unfortunately, we have well water where I live, which is a very tinted water. It is never clear. So right now, it's got that little bit of brown tint, but if you look very closely, it's clear as heck. I mean, you can see the aerator down there. It's very, very clear. And when I get white sand, it'll be even clearer. So unfortunately, we didn't have enough time to get the substrate done. I would have loved to get the substrate in and then have the pond water clear up and then the turtle come, but the turtle showed up, so it's time to open our turtle. And when we do the substrate, we'll put him in like a temporary holding pond until the water clears up, which probably do that in today's video, honestly. That'll probably be what we end up doing today. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Dude, I have wanted this for years, bro. This son of a gun was expensive, man. This thing was expensive. Oh my gosh, dude. Look at him. Look at how cool he is. He doesn't need to be in here any longer. Oh my gosh. Come here, buddy. Oh. Hey, little guy. Oh my goodness. That is the coolest thing I've ever bought in my entire life. Look at this. And he's so nice and friendly. I got a fly river. Holy dude, that's the coolest thing I've ever got in my life. That's the coolest thing I've ever got in my life.
So cool.
Look at him. It looks like transporting really did stress him out a lot. But oh my goodness. Look at how beautiful he is. Little tail. Look at him, little flopper. Oh, Flipper. Oh my, maybe that's his name, Flipper. Flipper. I'm gonna let you guys drop some names in the comments down below. Comment down below. Look at our little fly river. Ready? All right, buddy. See you later into your new home. That is awesome. All right, change of plans, Cuffaros. We just got back from buying sand and we have the pond halfway empty. We stuck our turtle in here for now. Obviously the pond looks good, right? But it doesn't look top tier. We need this to look top tier. And we're pumping the water out so that we could scape this pond. We're gonna put sand, rock, got everything. Our fly river is inside the 120-gallon tank, which he will be in here for the next day or two while this gets all cleared up. He looks awesome in here though. This is actually exactly where Blake keeps his, in a tank just like this. Such a perfect size, a beautiful turtle, and they can live with these knife fish and arowana. No problem at all. Look at him right now. He's vibing, coming up for some air. Right back down he goes. I saw him in there eating all the fish poop. He likes the fish poop right here. Look at him down there. He's all the way down there. I love this turtle so much. I've only had him for like 3 hours. So he's gonna stay in the big old 120-gallon for now. After this spot though, once his tank is done, we rinsed out 2 bags of sand so far. We're gonna put sand all at the bottom. I have rock, driftwood. We're gonna scape this pond and make it super, super nice. And then once that clears up, which probably should be by tomorrow noon, we can get him into his beautiful pond right here. One hell of a process, off camera. We've resorted to just dumping the bags of sand into the pond, okay? I'm gonna pump water into the pond while pumping it out, essentially washing it just like I would outside. It's impossible to dump that giant cooler into here. I almost broke the pond. Ooh, that is what I'm talking about right there. This looks 10 times better already. We have a little aerator over there, obviously our heater, piece of wood, and then we have our pump with rocks around it as well. So the whole back is pretty much rock. Lots of space in the front here for the turtle to swim, and of course the many cichlids to come, or whatever the heck we end up buying for this. It's weird though, if you look from the side, the see-through, you can't really see to the back of the tank. You just kind of see up front here, and that's distorted. Boswell Ponds, the company that actually made this and sent it to me, actually told me their new version that they're working on, the new pond coming out, has that exact thing worked on. So they actually fixed the whole distorted warp look, which is cool because I'm excited. We'll definitely have to get one of those new ponds coming out. This looks absolutely amazing though, and this is all for our buddy over here inside this tank. Right there, my buddy Fly River. Hey, what should we name this turtle? For real, everyone comment down below. Comment a name for our Fly River turtle. I would love to see some of your name suggestions down below. I want to see thousands of comments. Come on, Cuffaros. With substrate though, you can really see inside the pond now. It's so much better. Now again, our Fly River is inside the 120-gallon tank for now. I will be moving it on into the 500-gallon pond soon. I do want to give it another like 24 hours to just let all this settle. Although it looks clear, and it is clear, I just want to really make sure, you know, that whole entire thing is situated, everything's good before I make the move for the turtle, because the last thing I want to do is keep moving him back and forth. That would then stress him out, and we don't want that. Hey, here's a couple facts about fly rivers for those of you who maybe didn't know what this turtle was or want to know a little bit more about it. I like to do this when I get new things. The fly river turtle, aka the pig-nosed turtle, and you can definitely tell why they're called that. They got this little big nose. They're a native species to northern Australia and southern New Guinea. Fly river turtles can grow up to 70 centimeters, 27.5 inches, and weigh up to 66 pounds. 66 pounds? That's a hoss of a fly river. $5 to whoever the heck can pronounce the scientific name of this turtle. Here's an interesting question. Do fly river turtles breathe underwater? In addition to breathing air at the surface through their noses, fly river turtles are also able to breathe underwater by gulping water and absorbing the oxygen in the water. Such an interesting species of turtle, seriously. Very, very interesting. I love reading these facts too, it's awesome. What is a fly river's diet, you may ask? They can be seen in coastal waters where overhanging fruits and nuts fall into the water. That's why they like fruits so much. They also feed on leaves, stems, roots, and seeds of aquatic plants and will supplement their diet with small prey such as snails, insects, shrimp, and small fish. Their diet is crazy. How do you take care of a fly river? Aquatic plants and underwater hiding spots are preferred. We just made a bunch of underwater hiding spots. Water temperature must be between 79 degrees Fahrenheit and 86 degrees Fahrenheit. 100% the most expensive and coolest turtle I have ever bought to date. That's a fact. And this right here is that fly river's new home. We are 100% going to get fish for this very, very, very soon. Our fly river will have some fish friends and it is going to look absolutely incredible. For now, he's in the tank right here with our arowana that's ready to eat actually. Watch this, I got a little mealworm. Ooh. Oh, missed it. Oh! That was awesome. Thank you all so much for watching today's video. Another big shout out to API for sponsoring it. PC merch is also linked down below, and I will see you right back here in the next video where we do move the fly river into the pond. That's why you gotta subscribe so you don't miss that and turn your notifications on.